let's build my next level racing FGT Pro. So I ended up getting this due to its look, its compatibility. This is my first sim rig. I did buy a Hisense U7 for it, and the rig that I decided to get is a ClubSport DD Plus, ClubSport steering wheel, the Formula 2.5X, and the CSL Elite pedals V2. I'm running all this off of my Xbox. Decided to buy this for my son. As you can see, this tubing that I put, it really makes it look a lot cleaner. It makes it look a lot nicer. This is our first entry into sim rig racing. Unfortunately, the TV mount was not a good fit for my TV. It's more of a monitor mount, to be honest. But I rigged something up and it worked out perfectly. Overall, super pumped with how it turned out. Pretty sweet thing.